Hi, this is Adama. I'm a pastor. I'm in Burkina Faso, Ouagadougou. So here I want to show you my little farm where I'm doing everything to testing everything before make it big. So here is a Paulownia tree that we put a couple last year, and here this is food for cow, because we do both farming and breeding. They go together because we have fertilizer from animals and we put in the garden, and that's that everything works together. So this is that. This is lemon tree, papaya tree, and many kind of trees. Yeah, so here is banana tree, and banana, and this is also Paulownia trees. You see Paulownia trees? They look really good. Let's see this Paulownia tree. This is about less than 1 year. Yeah, less than 1 year. It's about 8 months, 10 months, like that. So this is what we do. You see, what we are doing inside is growing other things in it. So this is salad, growing salad in it. So as you see, papaya, other vegetable like those. This is beans. So we use the leaf for sauce, and I can let them make a fruit and have a grain. So and also you see papaya growing every time. This is a very dry times. It's not a raining season. It's not a raining times, but we see everywhere is green. If you study, you see the country. We are in the center of the country, Ouagadougou, and this time is that it doesn't rain. So the rain is for June, around May and June. So since October, end of October to June, we don't have rain. But you see everywhere is green in this garden. Come and see. And you can see here all of this stuff. This is eggplant. Yeah, see, eggplant. Yeah. So many kind of things, vegetable that we are growing in this farm. So, but today what I wanna share is about how we make it all of this possible, growing sustainable, and we can grow trees. So this is small part where I live, and making everything to see how it's work and how we can make it big somewhere. So this is like a tank to keep water on it. See inside? It's a tank. In this tank, I can use this one for the garden, water for the garden, but at the same time, I will put fish in it. I will breed fish in it. So in this, I can have like 3 tons of fish every 3 months or 4 months. If I make everything ready, I can put baby fish, and I can let them grow. They make the water become more fertilizer for the trees, and then I can use it for trees, and then I can also have fish for selling and for the family. So this is small things that we do, and we can make it bigger outside of the capital. And in the capital, it's like outside of the capital. We have we dry like let's say I'm not 10 minutes or 20 minutes away from the town, downtown. So after this, we can make it everywhere, big everywhere. So this is what we can do. We can make it, all of this, somewhere big. What I'm thinking is doing in the south. In the south, that's more green. It's by Ghana, more green. We can have land there and do many trees, plant many trees for wood and whatever. So, what the big project, one of the